What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 32 and today's topic I'll be going to talk about how to use enum method with return statement. So till now whatever we have seen that within the enum body we are directly printing some values, but we are not getting some sort of return, and from that return we are not getting some sort of some sort of calculation or some sort of logic. So in this tutorial we'll see how to get the return, how to use return statement, and from the return statement how to get some value from the call function to the calling function, okay, or called from the called method to the calling method, like this, okay. So the usual thing, how to define and use enum methods with return. So not much to talk, so let me open my ID. So same thing, I'll be going to use the same enum exam, and there will be two things, pass with i32 like this, and we'll be going to use fail with i32, okay. And next thing, we'll be going to write the main function here, okay, and we'll create one instance. So it will be exam underscore 1, this will be exam, and pass some score 70, okay, it's 70 like this, okay. Now we'll define one method with impl, this will be exam, okay, and then we'll write the method name, so display, or maybe you can name it return underscore func, and we're going to use self, okay. And this is, as this is going to return some integer, so what will be the, we would like to return this value only, okay. So like this, okay. So and after that we'll define one variable, let x equals to exam underscore 1 dot return func, like this, okay. So mismatch type expected found, okay. So now we'll be going to write something over here. So if let same thing, so it will be exam like this, pass and some value, okay, equals to self, then it is going to return the value only, okay. So that's it. So what is happening over here, if we are going to call this method with this thing, so pass, so it is going to return this value over here, okay. So but the problem is that it is showing some sort of error. So if let, I'm not sure what is the error, else, okay, it is saying else, yeah, definitely we need an else. So else, okay, so we can write within the else body something similar to this, like panic means this condition is not valid, something like that, okay. So it will be like call on this will be something like exam pass like this is failed on, and here it will be like this, and we'll be going to put the enum, okay, like this. So what will happen now, so if I call this thing with false, it is going to print this thing. So I am saying exam cannot be formatted within these things is right, so we have to use why you are getting this error, if you click this thing it will ask you to add this thing, see. So you have to just follow the documentation or like things properly, you don't have to remember or hard code anything inside your memory, okay. So it will be derive and debug, okay. See, the error has gone. So now what will happen, so it is going to return this value, so this value will be here. So after that you can print this value, print ln, and value of the past mark is sorry, and after that we can print x, and like this. So it should print 70. I'm not sure what happened now. Okay, so that's it. So if we run this thing, it will return this line, cause I'm calling this function with this pass thing, and if it is passed, then it is going to return this value only, and that value will be held with this will be held by this variable s, and after that I'm going to print this value over here. So this is kind of calling the enum method with return statement. So if you use this thing, it is equivalent to returning something. Okay, so let's run this thing. See, the value of the passed mark is 70. So we got this thing over here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just change this thing over here to fail. Okay, fail. So now it will print this thing. Okay, so let me save this thing. Okay, see, it is saying main panicked call on pass is failed due to on this thing. So same thing with, so I write in call on exam, so it will be print like panicked at this thing on this line. So it means whatever we are trying to call, this is not relevant to this statement, so that is why we got this error. So this is very useful thing if you want to use multiple if you want to use multiple condition, you can use it. So but for that you properly should put your like valid condition and other condition as well. But as I told you, there is some powerful operator which Rust provides, that is known as match operator. I haven't talked about that. I'm just giving you the name of the operator. Probably some of you already might gone through those things from the documentation, but don't worry about that. If someone is not familiar with that, I will going to start this thing from the next tutorial. Probably one more tutorial is pending with enum methods from use case point of view, and after that we could start the advanced topics with match operator. So before I end this tutorial, let me copy this code and put this thing over here. Okay, and after that what I'll do, I will just change the font size. Fine, let me save this thing. Okay, so that's it guys, that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to do some sort of practice, write your own code, or else you will definitely forget. This is actually I'm repeating from the day one. So if you do not practice, you will forget. If you practice, you will develop your skill, and it will become you'll become more confidence towards all these concepts, and that will make you good, better, and you'll become the best system programmer. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button if you're enjoying your video. Also, those are actually watching our videos for the first time, please hit the bell icon so you should not miss any notification from the next time. And last but not least, thank you very much actually this is for all the Udemy students. Thank you very much guys, you guys are amazing. Thanks for purchasing and subscribing to my course, and same thing is applicable for all of you. If you guys are having any suggestion, feedback, or any clarification, or whenever you found any difficulties to understand, please write me over Udemy instructor box. I'll always available there to answer your queries. So that's it guys, that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.